So guys, welcome to Exotic Tech. Now I will show you how we can use nested dictionary in PyCharm in Python. So first, what we have to do, we have to create some dictionary. So what does nested dictionary means? Nested dictionary means a dictionary inside dictionary. So for example, I want to create some dictionary, some maybe A. Okay, so A dictionary has its own key value pair. For example, I want to write it as like exotic. Now another is take. Okay, so okay, let me create more values inside in it. Now it's my 2, this is my 2. Now I will use a comma. Let me copy these all values. It would be easier for me now to declare another dictionary. So maybe I can give the key as fun, like fun life, or maybe star, no. So these are like, now what does this means? Like I have two keys like A, B, and A has its own dictionary which has key value pair exotic take, and similarly B has key value pair of fun and star. So these are two keys. Okay, now I want to print it out. So I will simply say test. It will print out my dictionary, nested dictionary. So I got my complete nested dictionary. Now furthermore, I can perform some operations on my nested dictionary. For example, I want to test something. Maybe I want to display only the items available inside the dictionary B. So I will assign it some variable, maybe X. I will print it out. Now let's me compile. It should return B elements. Yes, so we got this dictionary. Okay, so meaning that it's working. So this is how we use the nested dictionary in Python. So, moreover, we can perform some operations. Let me clear this stuff. Dot pop. So I want to pop from dictionary A. Okay, let me compile this. So look, we got the items available in A dictionary. So that those items are exotic take and exotic 2, take 2. So this is how we can pop items in B. So we will got fun, life, star, more. So this is how dictionary works in Python nested dictionary. If you have any question, feel free to put into the comment section of this below. Thank you very much for your support, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.